Come on, cold start. Did we make the loudest 370Z? What's up you guys, welcome to S mode. Today we're going to do some fun video and it's gonna be straight piping Wi-Fi's 370Z. Straight piping, I mean we're gonna fabricate an exhaust. A friend of ours who we found recently, he offered to fabricate a straight pipe exhaust one of one for her 370Z. I'll see you guys in a bit. I just need to grab some clothes, wifey, see if she's ready, and I'll see you in a bit. Drive safe. Okay. Have shaved sheep. Where you get your exhaust done without buying any exhaust, without buying any equipment for it, just a man, his hands, welding machine, a grinder, that's rusty.
350Z comes from there, goes into one, and then it goes round and then goes into the box, then splits into two. Whereas this is one exhaust off each bank. So you could do with getting rid of these or reworking the internals, doing the same thing, but it's still there. It's like getting rid of them. What I'll do to them?
Yeah, just to empty them.
I'll straight pipe them on the inside.
Yeah, okay.
I can do that.
It's horrible. That gasket here is going to be burnt. There's not going to be a gasket in here.
No, it's gone, that.
It's gone.
It was over there having powder coat?
Yeah, well, not this one. We're going to change them and then powder coat the new one.
The new ones, then bolt them up?
Yeah. This needs changing.
Yeah.
That will probably cut the bolt when you're trying to take it off.
There's all this X-frame and stuff.
What, an Audi TT engine? Nice seats. Start on a Clio Sport RS. Is it RS? Sounds good. What is Not any more of these rusty bolts.
No.
You see, camera makes nervous everyone.
I'm not nervous, I'm just getting burnt.
Come on, cold start. Yeah, this is what it should sound. Yeah. just telling me on the petrol station that inside is insane. You need to drive it with earplugs. That's crazy. That's absolutely insane.